Hi everyone! A lot of customers notice that when they first receive our phone cases, they seem slightly oversized, loose. All the buttons feel misaligned, sometimes even too tight. Don't worry just yet. This is completely normal. Our standard blanks are engineered with extra tolerance for heat shrinkage. The too big feeling is intentional. Once heat pressed, the material contracts and locks tightly around the phone for a secure, snap-on fit that won't shift or loosen, even with heavy use. So yes, the unpressed case looking slightly oversized is completely expected. If the fit is still off after pressing, the issue is usually deformation around the camera cutout. This fix is straightforward. Always use the dedicated lens pad during pressing and make sure it's firmly secured in place. Skipping or loosely placing it will compromise the final structure. Now, here's a critical operation tip, the 5-second rule. The machine operates at high temperature. Once you position the case on the mold, you must cover it with the film sheet within 5 seconds. If you delay, the heat can cause the case to soften and deform before vacuum sealing takes effect, which may lead to lifting or wrapping. For the 2-in-1 version, you may notice the sideworks shrink slightly inward after pressing, making the buttons feel tight. That's normal while the case is still warm and flexible. Gently stretch the edges outward by hand. Once cooled, it will hold its corrected shape and fit your phone perfectly.